owner of Beltway Heating, Air, and Plumbing says at his own house, he will do a double drip, hot and cold water from one upstairs and one downstairs faucet, and will continually clear snow from his heat pump outside. If you want to make sure your water is still running later, got to take steps to protect your home now before the temperatures drop. That's according to the experts at Beltway Heating, Air, and Plumbing in Hanover.
The biggest thing is people forget to take the hose off. You have to disconnect this here because the water inside of here can still freeze.
As they get ready for techs and trucks to answer the anticipated spike in calls for service, they're also sharing tips to make sure you're not one of those calls, that you don't need help with a catastrophic pipe burst, frozen water line, or heat system failure. Here's owner Ryan Grimes.
It's better to be safe than sorry with all of this, right? Because some things are time-consuming and catastrophic failures.
If you don't want to call him, he says, shut off your hose bibs and disconnect the hose. Drip the faucets hot and cold, he says. And he advises lower your thermostat expectations.
I think a good margin is probably 7 to 8 degrees colder than what you set the thermostat to. You're going to let a lot of cold air in your house. It's going to take a long time for that heat to kind of heat it back up. So let's have that expectation. Another thing you can do, especially at nighttime, is drip your faucets. Yes, it costs a little bit of money on your water bill, $10, $20 maybe, but it's not going to cost the tens of thousands if a pipe bursts.
He also says if a pipe bursts next door and the neighbor is away or the house is vacant, an expert plumber can shut off the water at the main and protect your home. In Hanover, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.